Hi friends, I hope all of you are doing very well. Today's topic was why consistency is so important when you are learning in English. Consistency means daily practicing in English. 3 hours or 4 hours. If you are student, if you are housewife or any working person, you will try to improve at least one hour or 2 hours reading the books, or try to improve your get the new vocabularies when you reading the books. uh, if if you if you did not maintain consistency, that means you will practice only weekly 2 days or 3 days. This is not enough to become a good English speaker. If you become a good speaker, you will practice consistently, daily 4 hours or 2 hours in a week, in every day. Then only you will got the English syntaxes and formations, how to give the how to make the sentence. When you read the book time, you will find out this sentence, which tense, or which it is positive voice or present active voice. This type of thinking you will do that when reading the book. You will understand the ideology of that sentence. Ideology of the sentence. This type of activities you will done. You will do then English conformly get the in English conformly get the fluency. When you are reading a book, when you are listening, when you are using the mobile phone reading the for reading the ebooks or PDFs in your mobile or laptop, and also write the one essay or one write the one topic on the any topic. Write the topic on any situations. Yesterday doing did actions, or today doing actions, or future will do access in ChatGPT, and ask the ChatGPT check the grammar corrections in that passage. Then ChatGPT give the grammar tips, where the mistake in this passage, and how to improve, and syntax rules, why this is wrong, how to write it, why this sentence is right. This type of activities, this type of situation, ChatGPT will give consistently. You will, if you maintain consistent daily when on in learning English, you will get 6 months or 7 months. You will become a good speaker or good content writer. This type of activities daily doing in your English learning, then only you will become a good English learner, good English, then only good English speaker. How to learn the English as a separate topic, I will teach that English. Reading the books and reading books means daily you will take the download the one PDF. That novels are 200 or 500 pages available. You will daily read the at least 4 or 6 pages daily, and mark the sentence, where you will across, where you will cross the new words, marks that words, and you find the tenses.